First of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So in the previous class, we have uploaded problems based on numbers and I hope you all have watched that video. So today we are going to solve some of the very important questions selected from the topic problems based on ages. So these questions are also like the previous video. These questions are also selected from the previous question papers. So let us go and solve these questions. So these are the type pattern of question which have been asked in various competitive exams. So let us go to the first question and see how to solve these type of questions based on ages. So here is your first question. 5 years ago, age of Vinay was 1/3 of that of Vikas and the present age of Vinay is 17 years. What is the present age of Vikas? So when we talk about the ages, words like ago, hence, these words are very, very common and have importance, meaning. So all these, the basic concepts of problems based on ages, we have already discussed in the previous video. So if you have not watched that video, the link is given in the description. You can watch that. Okay. Then after watching that video, if you are solving these questions, it will be very helpful for you. 5 years ago, age of Vinay was 1/3 of that of Vikas. So let us take the age of Vikas here as X. So let age of Vikas is equal to X. So 5 years ago, Vinay was 1/3 of Vikas' age. 5 years ago, that is 5 years ago, Vikas will be how much? Vikas will be X minus 5. So in that 5 years ago, Vinay was 1/3 of that. So Vinay will be 1/3 of X minus 5. This is 5 years ago. We have taken the present age of Vikas as X. The present age of Vikas X. So 5 years ago, Vikas will be X minus 5. And what is the condition given? Vinay was 1/3 of that of Vikas 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, Vikas was X minus 5. 1/3 of that X minus 5. That's the age of Vinay 5 years ago. And the present age of Vinay is 17. Present age of Vinay is 17. What is the present age of 17? What is the present age of Vinay? Present age of Vinay is given equal to 17. But we know 5 years ago, this was the age of Vinay. So 1/3 of X minus 5 plus when you add 5 years more, you will get the present age 17. Understand this concept very clearly. The present age of Vinay is given 17. The age of Vinay 5 years ago was 1/3 of X minus 5. So 5 years ago, this was the age. The present age is 17. So from 5 years ago, when you add 5 more years, you will get the present age. So you can solve this now. So X minus 5 plus, you can take this 3 here as a LCM, it becomes 3 into 5, 15 is equal to 3 into 17, 51. So X minus 5 and 15, I'll get plus 10. So X plus 10 is equal to 51. So X is equal to 51 minus 10, which is equal to 41 years. So we want the present age of Vikas. We have taken the present age of Vikas as X. We got the value of X is equal to 41. So from this, we can conclude the correct answer is 41 years. Kindly note it and then we will go to the next question. So understand this concept very clearly, how to solve this type of questions. Then in the coming videos, we will use the shortcut method. So the next question. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 9:4. So let us write that. Age of A is to B. We can write A by B is in the ratio 9 by 4. So A is to B. A is to B is equal to 9 is to 4. And 7 years hence. Hence means after 7 years. These words are very, very important. 7 years hence. After 7 years, the ratio of their ages will be 5 is to 3. After 7 years, so let us take, this is A and this is B, that is present age. Present age of A and present age of B. So after 7 years, that means 7 years hence, A will become how much? A plus 7, and B will become how much? B plus 7. 7 years will be added. At that time, their ratio will be 5 is to 3. Then what is the age of A? This is what we need to find out. So from here, we can find out what A by B is 9 by 4. A is to B is 9 by 4. And after 7 years, let us take this is equal to 9x and 4x, present age. Present age of A, 9x, and present age of B is equal to 4x. So after 7 years, it will become what? 9x plus 7. And this will become what? 4x plus 7. Now what is the ratio? 9x by 7x, 9x plus 7 by 4x plus 7 is equal to 5 by 3. And the first one, we have taken 9x for first one and 4x for B. So 9x by 4x is equal to 9 by 4. We already know this. So when you solve this cross multiplication, what we'll get? 3 into 9x, 27x, plus 3 into 7, 21, is equal to 5 into 4, 20x, 5 into 7, 35. So now 27x and here 20x, remaining will be 7x. Here we have 35, here we have 21. When you cancel it, balance will be 20, balance will be 14. So 7x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2. X value only we got. X is equal to 2. What we want to find out? Find out the age of A. What we have taken initially, the present age of A. Present age of A is 9x. X is equal to 2. 9x will be equal to 9 into 2, which is equal to 18 years. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option as 18 years. Understand this concept? The concept of ratio. Ages of two people are given in some ratio. From that, we are finding out their present age. The present age of A we have initially taken as x, 9x. And the value of x we got 2. So 9x will be equal to 9 into 2, which is equal to 18. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option as 18 years. So let us go to the next question. The ratio of age of father to that of son is 7 is to 3. So now we can see father to son. Present age of father to son. The ratio is 7 is to 3. So we can take directly here age of father, present age of father, we can take as 7x, and present age of son we can take as 3x. The sum of their ages is 60. That means 7x plus 3x is equal to 60. So from here you can see 7x plus 3x is 10x. 10x is equal to 60. So I can write x is equal to 6. The difference of their ages is what? Difference of their ages. So percentage is 7x for father and percentage is 3x for son. Their difference will be equal to 4x. We got x is equal to 6. So what will be 4x? 4x is equal to 4 into 6, which is equal to 24 years. So from the given option, we mark 24 as the correct option. Father and son age, the present age are given in what ratio? The present age are given in 7 by 3 ratio. So 7 by 3 we will take as 7x and 3x. and their sum of their ages is given as 60. So we will take 7x plus 3x is equal to 60. From that we got x is equal to 6. Actually, we need to find out the difference of their ages. So difference is what? One person age is 7x, second person age is 3x. So their difference will be 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x. So this 4x is equal to what? We got x is equal to 6. So 4x will be equal to 4 into 6, which is 24. So accordingly, we mark the correct answer as 24. So let us go to the next question. The ages of P and Q are in the ratio 5:7. All this type of same type of questions, P and Q, P by Q, the ratio is 5:7. So we will take the percentage of P as 5x and the percentage of Q as 7x. And the difference between them is 12 years. What is the difference between them? 7x and 5x. The difference is 2. So difference is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 12 years. So from this we get x is equal to 6. The ages in years of P and Q respectively. If x is equal to 6, 5x will be equal to what? For P, age of P. Age of P is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. And age of Q, which is equal to 7x, which is 7 into 6 is equal to 42. So we got the answer here. We got age of P is 30 and age of Q 42. So the correct answer is 30 and 42. So accordingly, we mark the correct option 30 and 42. So this type of questions, you can see the pattern here. This is a IBPS 2016 question. So these type of questions are generally asked in every competitive exams, whether it is IBPS or SSC or RRB. This pattern is common. So once it is given in the ratio, now you know how to solve this type of questions. Practice with more and more questions and you can easily crack this type of questions. So if you want to practice more questions, the complete sample paper is given in our app. So kindly download the app, Trace the Learning app. You will get the complete sample papers absolutely free. And moreover, practice mock tests are uploaded. You can practice online test absolutely free in the app. So description is given in the link is given in the description. You can download the app today and take your preparations to the next level. So let us go to the next question. The difference of ages of P and Q is 16 years. 16 years ago, P age is 3 times that of Q. The present age of P is what? So a different type of question. Let us take present age of P. Present age of P is equal to X and present age of Q is equal to, so percentage of Q is what we need to find out the percentage of P. The difference of ages of P and Q is 16. The difference of ages of P and Q is 16. The difference of the ages of P and Q is 16. So P is X, Q will be X minus 16 because their difference is 16 years. The percentage of P we will take as X. So the percentage of Q will be X minus 16. Why? Because it is given that the difference of their ages is 16 years. Now, second condition. 16 years ago, P will be how much? P's age will be X minus 16 and Q age will be X minus 16, again one more minus 16. So this will become X minus 32. Understand this concept very, very clearly. The present age of P is 60x. So 16 years ago, it will be X minus 16. The present age of Q is X minus 16, the present age. So from here, one more 16 we have to subtract to get the age 16 years ago. So age 16 years ago, Q age will be X minus 16, again minus 16. This will become X minus 32. At that time, P's age was 3 times that of Q. P's age, that is x minus 16, was equal to 3 times of x minus 32. This is what given. P's age is 3 times of that of Q. So x minus 16 is equal to 3x minus 96. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 32, 96. So here I have 3x. Here we have 1x. So remaining will be equal to 2x. Here I have 16. When I take this minus 96 to this side, I'll get 80. So I got x is equal to 80 divided by 2, which is equal to 40. What we have taken x? X is the present age of P. So present age of P is 40. What we need to find out? The present age of P is only we need to find out. So the answer is 40 years. So kindly note it. Then we will go to the next question. The next question is, the average age of 6 students is 7 years. If their teacher's age is taken into account, the average age increases by 5 years. Find the teacher's age. So let us take the teacher's age equal to x. The unknown quantity, we will take x. Teacher's age equal to x. The average of 6 students is 7 years. 6 students. So total average is equal to what? Average equal to total sum divided by total number. So average is given to us. Average age of 6 students is 7 years. So average is equal to 7 when the total sum divided by 6 students. So from here, when you cross multiply, I'll get total sum is equal to 42. 7 into 6, 42. Now, if the teacher's age is taken into account, then the average increases by 5 years. When the teacher age is also added here, that is total sum is 42. With this, we are adding the age of teacher also, x, and then divided by the total number. Now the total number becomes 7 because 6 students plus 1 teacher. 7. Then the average increases by 5. Initially it was 7. Now it is increases by 5. When it increases by 5, 7 plus 5 will become 12. So now you can find out what is x. So 42 plus x is equal to 7 into 12. So 7 2s are 14 and 184. Now x is equal to 84 minus 42. So answer is 42 years. So the age of teacher will be 42 years. The concept of average, very, very important. So you have to remember this formula. Average is equal to total sum divided by total number. From the given information, first we will find out what is a total sum. The total sum we got 42. And when the teacher's age is also added, we will get it as 42 plus x. Initially there were 6 students. When teacher is also added, the total number will become 7. And when the average increases by 5 years, the 7 will become 12. From this equation, we can find out what is the value of x. So when you practice more, it becomes very easy and you can easily solve this type of questions. So let us go to the next question. P is older than Q by 5 years. 7 years hence, thrice P's age shall be equal to 4 times that of Q. The present age of P is what? So it's a RRB JE question. P is older than Q by 5 years. So let us take age of Q equal to x. Age of Q is equal to x. P is older than Q. So age of P will be x plus 5. Always we relate as per the given question. P is older than Q by 5 years. So if Q is equal to X, P will be equal to X plus 5. 7 years hence. Hence means after 7 years. All these words are very important. 7 years hence. After 7 years. So you can say after 7 years, Q will be equal to X plus 7 and P will be equal to X plus 5 plus 7. From the percentage, we have to add 7 more years. Q, the percentage is X. So after 7 years, it will be X plus 7. P, the percentage is X plus 5. So after 7 years, it will be X plus 5 plus 7. So which is equal to X plus 12. What is the condition given? Thrice P's age. Thrice means 3 times. All these words are very, very important. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Thrice P's age. So 3 times of P's age. What is P's age? X plus 12 is equal to 4 times that of Q. 4 times of X plus 7. So we got the condition here. From here you can solve the correct answer. Now 3 into X, 3X. 3 into 12, 36. 4 into X, 4X. 4 into 7, 28. Here we have 4X. Here we have 3X. So balance will be 1X. Here we have 28. Here we have 36. So balance will be 8 here. So X, we got X is equal to 8. What is X actually? X is the age of Q. What we want to find out? The present age of P. So P is X plus 5. So present age of P is equal to X plus 5. We got X is equal to 8. So 8 plus 5, which is equal to 13 years. So from the given options, you can mark the correct option as 13. Okay, kindly note it and then we'll go to the next question. This question is selected from CTET 2019, CTET paper 2019. 15 years hence, Rahul will be just 4 times as old as he was 15 years ago. His present age is what? So here we are talking only about Rahul. Let the percentage of Rahul equal to X. What we want to find out? The present age is what we need to find out. So the unknown quantity, what we need to find out, let us take that as X. So present age of Rahul is equal to X. 15 years hence. After 15 years, this will become X plus 15. And 15 years ago, this was X minus 15. Present age is X. So after 15 years, it becomes X plus 15. 15 years ago, it was X minus 15. And what is given? Rahul will be just 4 times as old as he was 15 years ago. This value, X plus 15, will be equal to just 4 times of X minus 15. So X plus 15 is equal to 4X minus 60. Here we have 4X, here we have X. So remaining will be 3X. If I take this minus 60 to this side, it becomes plus 60. So 15 plus 60 will become 75. Here we have plus 15. I take this minus 60 to this side, it becomes plus 60 here. So plus 60 and plus 15 plus 75. So 3 and 75 I can cut 25 times. So X is equal to 25. So what is the present age of Rahul? The present age of Rahul is 25 years. So from the given options, we mark the correct answer as 25 years. So these all are the some of the very, very important questions, students. So practice with the more and more questions like this. We'll meet in the next video with the more and more questions. Take care. Bye-bye.